Hey, it's Ben. I've got this 4-pack of SENDA 25-foot measuring tapes, and I just want to take a closer look. The company sent these to me to make a review. So first of all, I just want to pull out the tape and show you. This is 1 inch wide, and you can see the increments that are on there. It goes down to 1/8 of an inch measures, and it's two-sided as well. This does have a double hook top and the bottom, and then you can measure inner corners and outer corners. This will adjust and accommodate for the width of the metal hook here. It does have a lock on here, and it will retract just as you'd expect. There's a belt clip as well as a cord for hanging and grabbing. Safety, have it on your wrist while you're up in high places. This is rubber all the way around, so that's helpful for gripping and also shock absorbing when if you happen to drop it. This will sit up on its own. The movement of the tape is nice and smooth, has a good weight to it, and the retraction is nice and tight as well. And then this is like nylon coated, so it's slick and easy to work with, and it's easy to read, and good quality measuring tape. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.